Hey everyone, Dave here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a loan officer to your account that can help you split your costs or whatever you have them set up to do. Super easy. It's awesome. I personally don't do it because at Real, we pay $40 a month for this awesome account that would normally cost you 400 bucks. So yeah, I can splurge on 40 bucks. But if you want to add a loan officer, here's how to do it. So before we do, actually, I stop before we go. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share because sharing is caring. All right, let's go to settings and you scroll down and look, there's lender. Super easy. You click here. It just talks about you have to invite the loan officer first before you can set things up. So you just go to invite now, your LO's email, the loan officer's name. If you run a team or a brokerage, you want to, and if you want to share the loan officer with the rest of your team, you check that. I don't have a team, so I'm just leaving mine checked. And then if you want to do help them like co-share costs, if you don't want to, you can do that. But if you want to split some costs, do it that way because when they get the invite, excuse me, when they get the invite, they're going to be asked to get a credit card on file. So let your loan officer know that you're going to be doing this. Have them look for the email, have their company credit card ready, because those are the things that Lofty will need for them to get onto your account to help defer this, to use the splits. Once they've accepted the invite, then there's a process of going through and you can decide what level do you want them to split or how you want it to work. But yeah, that is easily how you just invite a loan officer to be on your Lofty account.